Oh, okay, so today I'm not doing that much. There's nothing much to do. I worked tonight, I got groceries, I did laundry. Not much fun vlogging that, just doing normal adult stuff, and yeah. So, sorry, I gotta sneeze. Yeah, that's all the content I have for today. And yeah, okay, bye. I really don't have crap.